ukuthi bona bangoklama
Those who thought were glamorous.
nensizwe engolofa ohleve sikuthoya senzani impatha lapha
What are they doing?
zojika
You'll
lithi
turn around.
iBhayibheli insizwe ezinhle
Men,
ezinhle
beautiful men,
ezinhle
beautiful men,
insizwe
beautiful men.
because iBhayibheli ithi insizwa
The Bible says beautiful men,
azihle
beautiful men.
kusho iBhayibheli
The Bible says
lithi insizwe
men
azihle
that are beautiful,
azihle
that are beautiful.
lezi asithi bawuhlangana nazo
Those who
noma uhamba nonkosikazi wakho
even when you
kumele yamubone na uthe yena insizwa leya
when you see
but lithi lezo nsizwa eyayibhaza insizwa
that man,
azihle
that man,
amasoka insizwa ezinhle
beautiful man,
yakhathala lapha sikisi insizwa ezinhle
beautiful man.
hey lithi iBhayibheli insizwa eshaya bazalo
Beautiful man.
uyabona sesiyithandayo
Those who love him themselves.